Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson. Today is Thursday, July 29th, 2021. Today I'm going to be talking about the new CDC guidelines. But first, folks, it looks like this Delta variant is running the show, doesn't it? This is such a super fast replicating virus. You know, when the CDC revised its guidelines back in May and told us fully vaccinated folks that we could take off our masks and live our lives like we did in the pre-pandemic time, the Delta variant represented only 1% of U.S. coronavirus cases. In just 2 short months, folks, that number is more than 80% of all new cases here in the United States are due to the Delta variant. This Delta variant is exploding upon us, folks. So the CDC has to change its recommendations. They are a science-based community. Their recommendations are provided after they look at the weight of the evidence, and new data means new guidance. So what am I talking about in terms of the new CDC guidance? Well, let's break it down and I'll sum it up in a nutshell. First guidance is everyone, and I do mean everyone except for people who are 2 and up, and those who cannot wear masks due to respiratory conditions or neurological conditions have to wear masks indoors in public places, period. That's church, that's to the mall, that's to the barbershop, that's to the beauty shop. That's wherever people are gathering that are outside your immediate household. Wear a mask indoors. Number 2 has to do with kids going back to school. You know, originally they said that only fully unvaccinated folks needed to wear a mask, and that caused objections from the American Academy of Pediatrics. So the new CDC recommendations are in full alignment with the American Academy of Pediatrics, and they are basically this: all school employees, all school staff, all school children who are 2 and up, if they're returning to in-person learning in school, they need to wear a mask indoors. Period. That's it. The third recommendation, the new change, has to do with testing. The CDC had said previously if you're fully vaccinated and you were exposed to someone with COVID-19, you didn't need to be tested. Well, now that recommendation has changed. The CDC recommends that vaccinated individuals get a COVID-19 test if you were exposed to somebody with COVID, even if you have no symptoms. Why is that, folks? Well, it has to do with, guess what? The Delta variant. Because the Delta variant causes viral loads that are 1,000 times higher than its distant cousin, the original coronavirus. So even fully immunized folks can transmit this virus to others who are unvaccinated or who have compromised immune systems. Even if they don't get sick, they can transmit. So those are the new CDC recommendations. Now, I want to stress that we don't have to roll over dead and allow this Delta variant to take hold like this. We can fight back. We can end this pandemic if we just do some changes, working together, all together. Number 1 is put those masks back on. Wear the mask. Wash your hands and protect your ear space. Choose to be in ventilated spaces whenever possible, preferably outside. Number 3, you know I'm going to say this: get vaccinated. It's just that simple. And it's not too late to get vaccinated. Why get the Delta variant, which is so contagious and it looks like it's going to be deadlier than the original virus? Get vaccinated. And number 4, be flexible. Know that we're going to have to adjust because this virus is running the show. And so as the virus keeps evolving and changes, we're going to have to be flexible, and we have to evolve, and we have to change too. That's my message today. You know, I started July thinking we might have freedom and independence from this pandemic, but the Delta variant has put a stop to that. So we have to change course. So stay safe, folks. As always, my views are my own, and have a blessed day.